So we are here with Ananya Jana. She is a PhD candidate from the Indian Institute of Science based in Bangalore, and she is here to attend the Italian Society for Evolutionary Biology Congress here in Padova. We are here because Ananya, struggled a little bit to get her visa to come here in Italy. She finally got it, but the odd thing is that she didn't get it from Italy, from the Italian embassy, but she got it from the German embassy. And now we will let her explain how this process went. Ananya, what happened?
In a nutshell, I applied for the Italian Society of Evolutionary Biology Congress, and I got selected for an oral presentation. So I started out with all my visa application procedures. I got the letters required from the society stating that I'm actually invited for this congress. I got letters from a supervisor from my institute saying that they have no objections. I got every other proof and documents that was required, and I applied to the Italian embassy, Italian Consolate, let's say. And when I was looking for flight tickets, I realized that the best route for me would be to travel to Germany, go to Italy from there, and then come back from Italy. But since my main purpose is the conference in Italy, it made sense, as per the rules of visa application, it made sense for me to apply via Italy. And anyway, all my documents were in order. I applied, but within a week it was refused. And the only remark or the only clarification they could give was that the invitation was not reliable, which did not make sense because I had a proper invitation letter on an official letterhead stating I'm coming for this conference. I spoke to the VFS officers. These are the people who sort of facilitate your visa application process. They collate your documents and send it to the embassy, bring back the passport, all of that. And none of them could find any discrepancy, any problem in my application. But they did say that this seems to be sort of a pattern that has happened multiple times, and often people reapply and then they get it. And all they could tell me was, just try reapplying again, probably it'll work this time.
So even if the invitation was not reliable, you tell, okay, let's do the documents again for the second time, or let's try another time.
Exactly.
And that's what you did, right?
Yeah, that's the only thing they could tell me, because I had the invitation letter, right? There was no reason for it to be unreliable. So anyway, I got all my documents together all over again. I got the originals from all the different institutes and people that I needed to.
And you also had to pay fees a second time?
Yes. So it's openly written on their clause that none of these fees are refundable or cancelable or anything. So I had to pay that for a second time. So I applied all over again. Within another week, it was refused. This time, the reason said invitation not confirmed.
Not reliable the first time, not confirmed,
not confirmed the second time. Okay. Not sure what that means, but so I was in constant touch with one of the organizers of the conference throughout, and I had told her everything I was facing. The first time it was rejected, I wrote to the embassy. She, from her side, wrote to the embassy in Italian, hoping that they'll respond to her, maybe they'll clarify what they need. She also wrote to them stating that, confirming that I'm coming here and that they can contact her for any clarification. And she never received anything from them either. So again, we don't really know what they mean by not confirmed. But anyway, both the times it was refused, and of course I did lose a lot of money on that. So and we were running short of time now. Then so I decided to just give it a shot and talk to the German consulate instead, because my only reason for doing that was because I'm entering via Germany. Maybe there would be a chance that they'll allow me to apply for a visa.
And also because the German embassy was close to your home, right?
So the second thing is the German embassy was in my city, while the Italian embassy is in a different city, and it's in a different state altogether. So I'd have to travel and then find out a way to get through to them. So I was actually able to speak to the German consulate in person, and they went over my story, and they said I am eligible to apply via Germany also. Again, the application happens through the whole VFS process, not directly with the embassy. But again, it was the exact same set of documents for the third time. I applied via the German consulate, and within a week I got the visa with no questions asked whatsoever.
Did they tell you anything about why the Italian embassy was not accepting your
No,
demand?
they had no idea. Like, I tried asking them if they could, suggest anything I could do from my side, and they said no. They have no idea what's going on there. But they looked through my documents. They said everything looks fine, and since I got the visa, it clearly was okay.
At least you made it to the Congress.
I did. I mean, I was really worried because it was cutting really, really close to my time. But yeah, things worked out, and I'm really glad. It's just seemed like a bit of an harassment with all the time and and the stress and the money you put into doing all of this. So yeah, it was slightly annoying that way, but at least it worked out, right?
At least you're here, and good luck for your presentation.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thanks to you.